Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, May 19th. And we're looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY IWMN, triple Qs. And we got consolidation today. The interesting thing is, though, it was consolidation not only in the lower end of the trading day from yesterday, but a good part below it. So without a doubt, the bears are firmly in control. We did make one last-ditch effort in L. We took back just one little tiny set of single prints, 3 cents in I, but we never even got to H, so we stayed in the lower distribution or below all day. Russell, on the other hand, got to the top of the lower distribution, got the afternoon rally high, but never got into the single prints in D. Triple Qs, they did take back one single print set of also in H. Got into the middle distribution, but closed way below it. In fact, we closed below yesterday's low. Again, volume. There's two things that bulls could take some solace in. Number one, today's low is still about $2 off of the yearly low. So the question now is, did we just test the daily balance low and the volume? The volume's horrible again. Just 93 million. Now, again, on a consolidation day, I'm not surprised, but after yesterday, also, you would like, if you're a bear, to get this to really, really pick up. Had a decent day today. I'm not keen on these type of rotational days, and plus, I missed some trades I definitely should have taken. It was a decent day overall. I took a short in 8 period when it ran up right against settlement. A 394 put, backed right off on that the first time. Took a short in B period. I thought we were going to get below the opening and stay there. Started costing me. It was only a 5 lot. I added 5. All of a sudden, the 10 lot was costing me. But then I took a 50 lot long as we started going up, thinking we were going to take out A's high, which it did, and made money on that and took back that loss. And then one other time in B, when it pulled back, I took another long. Those are the 388 calls. The one I lost on the put was 390. Then an E period. I took a short when we popped up. Did not think we were going to go trend. Took 394 put play, and that worked. G, looking for the afternoon pullback. I didn't do anything big, but I took it in G period, 388 calls, which didn't turn out to be our afternoon pullback. H did. And I didn't do anything in H because H got below the opening, and I didn't know if they were going to try to make a run for the day's low. So I just didn't do it. And then in J period, I took a short. That was one of my bigger trades. I took a 40 put play thinking we were going to go back to POC, which we did. Now, the ones I missed, there were 2 I missed that I'm a little upset with myself. The first one was G, when we took out F's low. I thought after E and F, you got some momentum buying, short covering, but once we took it out, good odds to go back where POC was. POC was not a D's high at that time. It was lower, and to get below yesterday's low again. Didn't take it. And then again in H, when we pushed up, we got right up to the 144, and yesterday's low would have been another nice short to take on back. So, and in L period, I had told the room if we had gotten up to this second set of single prints in L, I would have taken a short. Didn't get up as high as I wanted to, so I didn't. So a decent day, but a little tiring. As far as our destinations, we are 11 wide at 390.58. That's D's high from today. Then we have today's high 394.14 and should have all of yesterday's. For the downside, H's afternoon pullback low of 388.33. Today's low of 387.11 and then 385.15, which is our yearly low. I will recap all of these indices tomorrow night from top to bottom. For today, just going to show you the weekly and daily in SPY. So to remember, we did take out last week's high. With 1 day to go in the week, if by some chance we close either above last week's high, which right now doesn't seem as likely, or below last week's low, which possibly might have better odds, you could have, well, no, I'm sorry, you wouldn't have an outside week up. You'd have to, but we have a possibility if we take out last week's low and close below it of an outside week down. We'll see how that pans out. Tomorrow is also an expiration. And then on the daily, again, this is subjective. Remember I said markets don't go bull bear, so it came into balance. I'm still calling this balance. Some people will call this bear now because we took out yesterday's low. But I am using the yearly low as my balance low. So for me, like I said yesterday, even though we took out today's low, if we take out today's low and not that low, it's still balance. So again, we are now in a 6-day balance as far as I'm concerned. If you want to call it down, there's nothing wrong with that. If we take out today's high, we're still firmly in balance. If we take out today's low and get acceptance below the yearly low, then I would go down. Thanks for the likes and subscribe, and come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.